Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to play What's in That Box. So I have one item in there, and then my baby sister is going to guess what item is inside there. I'll show you guys. That is what in there. So, if you know what that is, comment down below. Come here. Okay. Reach your hand in, and then guess what it is. What is it? Okay, tell me what it is.
What it is?
Tell me. What is it, Adeline?
Fidget.
Yes, it is a fidget. Good job. It's a poppet. So she guessed it correctly. A poppet. Okay. Next round. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to pick. Okay, guys, that's what it is. Oh, okay, if you guys know what that is, comment down below. Okay, Adeline, reach your hand in.
Okay.
Set the pocket down. Reach your hand in.
What is it?
What is that?
It's noodles.
They are noodles. Good job. Okay, let's grab the other one out. Okay, she got the monkey noodles, correct? And she also got that kind of. She doesn't really know them. Okay, guys. I'm going to put this. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Put this in. Okay. Come here.
Okay.
Come here. No, right here. Reach your hand in there. Okay. This is what's in there, guys. Okay. What is that?
A bouncy.
A bouncy. She said this. It's a marble mesh. So she called this a bouncy. Is it a bouncy?
Yeah.
Okay. Adeline, can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, she's holding the camera right now, you guys. Say what's up?
What's up?
All right.
Look, and it's moving.
Yeah. Okay, let me see it. Okay. This is what's inside.
It's a cookie and it's that.
Oh no, she saw it, you guys. So let's do a next round. Reach my hand in there, grab them. Okay. I'm going to do.
Cookies!
Yep. Okay. Put this in. Okay. I'll show you guys what's in there.
It's another cookie.
No, don't look.
A fidget.
Okay. Yeah, it's a fidget. Okay, begin. What is that?
What is it?
It's called a snapper.
Can I try?
Yep, it's really hard. Okay, guys. Based on this sound, what do you guys think it is?
I can do it now, Kendall.
Yeah. Okay. You guys, I'm not going to show you this time, but comment down below, based on that sound, what it is. Okay, reach your hand in. And by the way, I'm using a shoebox, so. What is that?
It's a bouncy.
No, it's not a bouncy. It's actually an Orbeez stress ball. Did you guys guess it correctly?
Yeah.
And if you guys did, comment down below and said you did, and I will give you a shout out in the next video. And also, like, subscribe, and share if you got it, because that will give you 10 years of good luck. Bye, guys. Hope you liked this video.